We will become familiar with the WordPress backend. If you came from the previous video, then you have to type here wp-admin slash, and then you will reach the backend of this WordPress website. Then here we have three sections: the top bar, left hand side menu bar, and this content panel. In this content area you will see two options: screen options and help. Okay, so we will look at each and everything in much more detail in the later chapters. So on the top navigation bar you will see the very first icon is the WordPress, and when you click on the about WordPress you will see the version that you have installed on your WordPress website. So click on it. So here you see the current version of the WordPress website is 5.7.2, and here we have the small introduction, what this version includes and what were the modifications from the previous version. So, and the second option is the link of the WordPress.org website, and then documentation, then support and feedback. The next, this is the title of the website, how is it possible, and when you click on this visit website, then you will go to the front end of this website. Okay, the similar title bar will appear when you are logged in as admin. The next option is customize. We will look at this option in the later chapters. The next option is the comments, the comments that has been made on your website. When you hover over the new, then you can see we have four options here. You can post, upload a media, add a page, or add a user. So we are not going to work with any of these things. We will work with each and every section in much more detail. On the right hand side you will see, when you hover the howdy admin, then you will see this small box contains the nice name of admin and added profile button and logout button. And the last option is search option, if you want to search anything from the website. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard. When you are in the front end, you will see when you hover over the how is it possible, then we have four options. When we were on the back end, then we had only one option, that was to visit the front end of the website. Now we want to go back to dashboard. Click on the dashboard. On the left hand side we have another menu which has plenty of options. The very first option is dashboard, and it has two sub options, home and updates. In the home tab you will see the what we have currently on our website. This is a small introduction, welcome to the WordPress, and we can make a quick draft and site status and how many posts, comments and pages our website, and what theme currently that is running on the WordPress 7.2. There is a small box that the events, WordPress events and news closest to your area, and the recent activities like recent comments made on your website. So this is what we have on the dashboard, and when you will install new plugins, plenty of things on this dashboard area. When you click on the screen options, then here we have some options like screen elements. When you read on this, some screen elements can be shown or hidden by using the checkboxes. They can be expanded and collapsed by clicking on their headings, and arranged by dragging their headings, or by clicking on the up and down arrows. For example, if you want to hide this site health status, then you just untick this option and it will disappear from this dashboard. If you want to make it show again, just tick it here. Okay, if you want to disable this welcome screen option, then just untick this option and it will disappear from the dashboard. The other thing that you can do here is you can rearrange these widgets. Okay, and this is how it's possible. You can also hide them, like when you click on this arrow, it will hide it, and when you click again on this right hand side arrow, it will expand it. So these are small options that we have on the dashboard. And the next option is updates. If our plugins installed on our website, if the current version of WordPress is out of date, then it will show an error here that the following things needs to be updated. Okay, this is what we have in this dashboard menu. And the next thing is posts. Posts are like the news articles or blog articles that you want to publish it regularly. We will check each and everything, like how we can work with all posts, add a new post, categories and tags. The next option is media. Here we have all the media files, any video file, jpg file, let's image, maybe it's an audio file that you have uploaded here. These all things will appear in this media section. You can upload in this section. The next thing is pages. Here you will can work with pages and add a new page. Okay, there is a huge difference between posts and pages. The next option is comments. All the comments made on our blog will appear in this section when you click on this comments section, and we will see how this comment section work in the later videos. And the next thing is appearance, and here we have multiple options like themes, customize, widgets, menu, background and theme editor. So we have plenty of options to work with. The next option is plugin. If you want to extend the functionality of WordPress, then you have to install some plugins. For example, if you want to use a theme editor, or if you want to use a page builder like Elementor or any other, then you have to install this plugin from here. The next option is add users. You can see all the users, add a new user and manage your profile here. The next option is tools, where you can import, export and check the highest site health, export personal data, erase personal data. So we will look each and every option in much more detail in the later sections. The next option is settings. So these are quite important for our website, because when we alter these settings, then there are many things happen on the website, on the front end as well as on the back end. We will look each and every menu item in this section in much more detail in the later sections. So this is the dashboard we have in the WordPress, and we will work in the next video with pages, and then we will see how we work with pages and how we can add elements to our page. Till then, bye bye. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.